What's the meaning of astronomer? Astronomer. Astronomer.
Astronomer. Astronomer. An astronomer is a person who studies astronomy, which is the scientific study of celestial objects such as stars, planets, galaxies, and other phenomena that exist outside of Earth's atmosphere. Astronomers use various tools and techniques to observe and analyze these objects, including telescopes and computer models. Through their observations and analyses, astronomers seek to understand the physical properties, evolution, and interactions of celestial objects, as well as the structure and origin of the universe itself. Their work helps us to better appreciate the vastness and complexity of the cosmos.